Tips on how to be more successful at affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a reciprocal method in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each person directed to them by that affiliate. This can be a great way to get new customers and to share them and make a profit. This video can help you understand all of the variances in this popular marketing practice. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, include the biggest benefits of the item in the video headline. This ensures that you will draw in interested readers, and also helps to separate your review from other similar reviews of the same product. The easier it is for readers to see the benefits of the product, the more likely it is that they will buy. If you are trying to make some extra money online and are thinking about doing affiliate marketing, you might want to pay someone else to set up a website for you. There are a variety of companies that guarantee a payout if you go through them to set up your affiliate advertising venture. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, evaluate the marketing platform of a potential affiliate company before you decide to advertise their products. If the quality of the company's marketing is poor, you will not be likely to receive worthwhile profits from promoting their items. If you are not impressed, your visitors will not be either. Developing and keeping a list of ideas handy is a great way to achieve in affiliate marketing. Once you learn a great tip or have one of those proverbial light bulb moments, always remember to make a note of it so you can refer to it later on. As you progress in your note keeping, you can begin to form campaigns from loose ideas. As commented on earlier, affiliate marketing is a great reciprocal way to attract more business and direct business toward those affiliate who direct customers your way. By understanding the affiliate marketing methods and variances, then you can take part in this marketing boon. Adopting the strategies outlined above can greatly increase traffic to your business. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.